نسيك مشتاق لك وحشني لقاك ولينا شو.
May chance ba? Okay naman siya. She's very beautiful. She's very nice to talk to also. Pero, you know, it's difficult because also of the distance, diba? And, you know, like, barriers also. But she's very nice and she's very beautiful. That's what I can say. Naka-move on na ba fully? What? Move on agad? Wala pang ending? Move on. Sheesh. Pero do you talk privately? No naman. I don't wanna... The reason rin kasi I don't wanna talk to her privately is because parang hindi naman sa nag-feeling, sasabihin ko, I'm gonna love bomb her. She's gonna fall in love with me if I talk to her privately. It's not naman that. Pero syempre, I think it's also very hard to discuss kasi virtually lang na parang, what is this? Is this just content? Or is this just, or can it be more than that? Parang it's so weird, diba? Just because what we get carried away with the killing factor. I mean, it's nice na kinikilig ka, diba? And I think the killing naman is not fake, but it's more of like, to be able to say na you have a chance with being with someone, or to say na magiging kayo, you really have to get to know the person, diba? Napadala mo ba yung surprise? Kaya nga surprise diba? And then, but you know, like, we're gonna be friends, and anything can happen in life, anything can happen in the world. Pero I think, like, as much as kinikilig kayo, kailangan pa rin you guys need to have boundaries also, diba? Na parang, respect not only to me, to her also, na parang, wag nyo i-pressure kasi, wag nyo i-pressure both sides, diba? And yung kilig naman, okay lang yan di ba? Kasi kahit naman sa showbiz may love team, it's okay to get kilig with that. There's nothing wrong with that. Pero again, you have to respect na, so yun, if I'm being transparent, I did talk to her, but not in a way that was flirty. It was more of, I just checked up on her kasi parang hindi rin naman tama if I knew what was happening and then ask someone who would, I didn't want her to feel rin naman that I was just using her for content. Kasi diba nakaka-bother rin naman na we're being associated with one another tapos may mga nagbabash sa kanya because of, I don't know, toxic, I wouldn't say fans, but toxic people. Whether it's from my end or her end. Syempre, I checked up on her. So yun lang. And then she was okay naman. So we talked. So yun lang yun. If may chance, ipupursue mo siya. Yun nga, very mahirap kasi looks-based lang. But, looks-wise, you know, I think the thing is kasi, the reason why, I hate it when people say pinapaasa mo yung isang tao. Hindi naman Just because you're talking to a girl, doesn't mean pinapaasa mo siya. Yes, I make jokes, but I think when I do it in such a way na she starts believing the jokes and she doesn't know it's a joke, like we're not laughing, she's just taking everything seriously. And sinasabi ko sa kanya stuff like, I want to be with you, I want to marry you, I want you to be my endgame, I want to end up with you. Yun yung sinasabi na niloloko mo lang yung babae, if hindi ka naman sure. But if it's jokes lang, di ba? Harmless jokes, and kaya rin hindi ko siya kinakausap everyday, for example. Okay lang yun, di ba? O yung mga iba kasi parang, ano ba yan, like, kinakausap ko lang, uy, Tommy, kung yan na-fall sa'yo, uy, Tommy, love bomb ka kasi. What? I'm not love bombing anyone. Diba? And I think at least it's clear naman now we are friends, diba? Kakakilig, yes. I mean, pwede naman kasi baka may chemistry nga, you know. You can't deny chemistry, I guess, but, you know, there has nothing, I don't think we both ever done something to one another na parang we were like, oh, shucks. May nafo-fall na ba? I mean, at least from how we know each other. Update sa surprise. Basta. Pero maasa ka ba? Yung totoo, hindi naman. Mahirap umasa. Mahirap umasa. Can I be with her? Let's say, given there were no restrictions. Let's say, nandito siya in the same place. Yun. Sinagot ko, yeah. Pero, yun nga, sobrang daming restrictions. Diba? Bet ko nga, ang kulit nyo Yun ba lang ba gusto nyo marinig? Kung bet ko siya, kung nagagandaan ako? Yes! Yes! Ano pa ba gusto nyo marinig? Diyos ko kayo. Yun lang pala gusto niyo marinig kung attracted ako. Di, yes, attracted nga ako sa kanya. Hindi yun fake. That part isn't fake, guys. I think kita naman sa reaction ko first time I saw her. Like, sabi ko, sa isip-isip ko talaga, sabi ko, grabe naman face card ito. Pero yun lang. But, diba, yun nga, mahirap lang talaga. We have to be realistic kasi nga, it's like, we're so far from each other, diba? Stuff. Yun lang. But if she likes you, then we can talk about it. Like, what's gonna happen? Are you like gonna go here? Am I gonna go there? How do we meet? You know? Kayo talaga, mga self-serving questions kayo. Is she special for you? Is she... Ay, nako. Pwede, iba, ayun lang, they don't date na pala. Oh, I like this one. If you were to date someone, would you choose a non-SOCMED personality? Definitely a non-SOCMED personality. Definitely, 100%. Kasi, I mean, preferably, because, especially if here, kasi ako lang pwede maging star. Joke. Not like that. So, I believe in keeping your relationship private but not a secret. That's a huge difference, guys. Ideal woman, loving, patient, understanding, long legs. Seryoso ka, Tommy? A bit. Just a bit. It's like clipper bit. Clipper bit. What? Yan na naman kayo. Assuming na naman kayo. Paano ka may love? Are you asking about love language or what? Love language is receiving physical intimacy. Ay, physical touch. And quality time. Giving words of affirmation. Possessive ka ba, Tommy? Yes, super. What is your pet peeve? I don't really have a pet peeve, but I don't like it when a girl just agrees with everything you have to say, even if you feel like she doesn't agree with you. Gets you? Parang pick me girl. Morena or mestiza? Mestiza. Ideal future wife. Loving, understanding, safe space, simple, low maintenance. Someone I can grow old with. Mabilis ka ba ma-fall? Hindi naman, but I know. But like after 2 dates, I know na if there's a chance to fall with that person, it doesn't have to always end up romantically, but it's more of like, alam ko palang first 2 dates, okay, parang this girl is interesting. And kung first 2 dates, wala yun, I know na hindi maging relationship yun. I think someone who has the same values and same humor as me, but for sure balances my personality. So parang, I feel like I get along with someone na she can laugh at my jokes. She knows what I'm talking about. We laugh at the same things. We have the same jokes. Or like we get the same jokes, but parang she's more of the like tumatawa lang on the side. She's more of the one who laughs and I'm the one nagpapatawa. Or she's more of the one who just takes the videos and I'm the one doing stupid, crazy, whatever shit. I think I'm really makulit but I'm an introvert but I'm really makulit. So it's like, when I meet someone who's more kwela than me, I love it. Paano mo nalaman na there's a Mars? Basta. Conservative or liberated? Conservative.
I want to say congratulations. I've heard there's a beautiful girl that you're talking to.
Wow, here we go again. Oh my gosh.
Nah, congratulations. You look beautiful together.
Wow! I just had to pass by Natalia kasi, I mean, we've been planning for a long time na and then di lang nagtutugma. And then parang, every time it's like, I'm gonna invite her, it doesn't feel like the right time. Pero now felt like the right time na. Kasi nga, I didn't want, alam ko kasi, you guys are shipping me with Gazelle and all that, The truth is, guys, me and Gazelle, parang, I think I've only spoken to her once. Oh my God. May gawa pa kayo issue. Friends, as friends, ganun. And it was about the bashing. I wasn't flirty in any way. I just asked her if she's okay with the bashing and ganun. And I hope na parang ganito, ganyan. Clear things up. Yun lang, okay guys? I'm being transparent with you. Now with Natalia, we talked about how people were trying to make us fight and I didn't like it. So I said, one of these days you have to go and lie. So I'm explaining to you guys why that happened, okay? Why that happened. Yun lang yun.
Sama mo ako pag mambababae ka.
Hindi na ako nagbababae ngayon eh.
Bakit?
May nakilala na ako eh.
Ay, nakilala na, nakilala.
Hindi na pwede.
Loyal ka na, nagbago ka na pare.
Crush ko pa lang siya, pero loyal na ako.
Grabe ka pala magmahal pare.
Oo. Sabi niya kasi bawal na daw ako mausap ng babae. Sabi ko, okay.
Ako kakanta sa wedding, Let's go, guys! I've been wanting to tell you this for a long while. What's gonna make you fall in love? I know you got your wall wrapped all the way around your heart.
If you're watching,
Tama ba? Tama ba? Okay.
If you're watching, this is for you. Let's... Cause I know that you feel me somehow. I just want you to know who I am.
Eto na ba?
Lovejoy Hope! Lovejoy Hope!
So ano yun? I miss you? Ano daw? Ano daw?
Anong sinabi ko yun?
Sinabi mo yun,
Ay,
narinig ko.
lumabas yung iniisip.
Ano sabi?
Lumabas yung iniisip ko. Lovejoy Hope. Hindi, joke.
Guys, i-clip nyo yun.
Guys,